Hello and welcome back to step number 5 in accessing ASANA API from Google Script. As I told before in step 4, the last thing we need to do before we can actually do the update is to hide our client ID and client secret from other users than ourselves. So what I have done so far is that I have put up a setup in which you put these two, client ID and client secret, into a personal spreadsheet. And then you ask the script here to go to that specific script or that spreadsheet and copy the passwords. So I will show you my personal spreadsheet. It's right here. It's called my API passwords. It can be named whatever. And I have passed the client ID and the client secret in these two cells, B2 and B3. And it's important to see that the sheet is called password. And so if we go back to our Google script and go to the API storage update, you'll see that I put in these details about myself. So initially, the script is going to run a function which get my email, which is emil.c.wiretil@gmail.com. And if it equals that, it will run this piece of code, which basically just take the URL from my personal password script and opens it, and then it goes to the sheet named passwords. So that's the sheet admin variable right now, and then it will simply go and take the value, which is in B2, and save it as a string, a piece of text, and do the same for B3, which was the secret, and then it's loaded. And obviously, this spreadsheet is my personal spreadsheet. I'm the only one who has access to it. So if somebody else were to run this piece of code, and it was me, it would not get my client ID and client secret. So what you need to do is to create a new spreadsheet. Well, initially you need to put in your email address here. And if you are in doubt what that is, you can go to API new user. And you can run the function, get my email, press the log, control enter, and you will get your email, which you can simply copy into this field. Simple as that. Once you've done that, you copy the URL from your spreadsheet and put it in here. And then you put it in you made a sheet called password with a capital P, and put your credentials in your client ID in B2 and B3, you're actually ready to go. So in step 6, I'm going to run the code. So see you then. Oh, a small thing. I would recommend that you erase these two once you're done with this step, because then these are available for anyone who has access to the script to the spreadsheet. So you should probably delete them once you've done. So I just did it then.